And we now turn to the latest in the coronavirus pandemic. Health experts warning we are heading in the wrong direction as we enter winter. Now, much of the country is seeing a rise in cases and hospitalizations. ABC's Christine Sloan has the latest.
Chicago cracking down once again as cases surge. Last night, a curfew implemented for non-essential businesses. Illinois' top doctor breaking down Friday while announcing the state's rising COVID-19 numbers at a press conference.
We are reporting 3,874 new cases for a total of 33 confirmed cases since the start of this pandemic. Excuse me, please.
Patients pouring into Northwestern Memorial Hospital.
People are fatigued, they're tired of COVID, they're letting their guards down to people that they feel comfortable with.
The troubling trend seen across much of the nation. More than 83,000 new COVID-19 cases in the last day alone, according to the COVID Tracking Project, the highest numbers since July. Deaths topped 1,000 for the last 2 days straight. In Utah, healthcare workers overworked and overwhelmed.
Some days you go to work and you really hope that just someone doesn't pass away on your shift.
14 states have hit record hospitalizations this week, including Oklahoma. 25-year-old Bethany Walters says after a week in this Oklahoma City hospital, breathing is still difficult.
Well, it's hard, and I hope nobody else gets this sick, but hang in there if you do.
New research from the University of Washington says universal mask wearing could save nearly 130,000 American lives through the end of February, saying face masks can reduce transmission of COVID-19 by roughly 40%. Christine Sloan, ABC News, New York.
Hey, back here at home, coronavirus cases continue to climb in North Texas. Local leaders say we're going in the wrong direction. Yesterday, Tarrant County reported 848 new cases. That's one of the highest single-day totals. Dallas County reporting a total of 533 cases, 207 new cases in Denton County, and 195 in Collin County. And it's not getting any better in El Paso. Yesterday, the county reported 969 new infections. The governor is sending extra reinforcement to the area. More than 400 medical personnel are heading to the region at this point. You know, this all comes as the FDA gave full approval for the first drug to treat COVID-19. Now, doctors have been using remdesivir as an experiment at first. The drug works to stop the replication of the virus that causes COVID-19. And studies now show it cuts the time of recovery. Before, it was only authorized for emergency use. It was used on President Donald Trump when he had COVID-19 earlier this month.